Hello and welcome. Today I updated my main computer to Windows 11 and watch what happens once it's done. There are a few ways to update to Windows 11. You can use the installation media and ISO, and these are the existing programs. I have them running. This is on Windows 10, my main computer on Windows 10. And there are a few things on my desktop, a few applications installed, and we will see if all these programs will be still installed, still work the same way as before, and even the files on the desktop. Windows is activated and I have a Microsoft account logged into this computer. That's important to keep the license linked to your Microsoft account. Those are the requirements for the Windows 11 installation assistant. I'm going to use the installation assistant because it's the easiest thing. It's the easiest way to update to Windows 11 as far as I know. Just download this executable and you will follow the steps basically. Once it's going to finish, it will restart, and then it will restart a few times, and once everything is done, you're on Windows 11. And you can even roll back to Windows 10 if you need that. And here you see the computer is ready to restart, and I press OK. Computer goes in automatic mode. From now on, the PC will show me just Windows update screens, but a really long time it will do this. So don't panic if you see this. If you see it stays sitting at one specific point for too long, don't restart it. Let it finish. Now it's finished here. This is a high-speed version of this. It took maybe half hour, I don't know. You just give it time. This is Windows 11. I could have done it through the installation, through the media creation tool or the ISO. That also would work to update, but the installation, the Windows 11 installation assistant is really the best tool. It's all automatic, really. You don't have to choose any settings, anything. It doesn't ask you for all those like a setup, or I guess the ISO would also do that, but this is the easiest thing as far as I see. Checking for updates. Updates are working as expected. This computer supports TPM 2.0 and the CPU is supported. Everything is okay. There are official workarounds from Microsoft to allow Windows 11 to be installed on a computer with TPM 1.2 or unsupported processor, but we don't need that on this one. If you need to see how that works, let me know. I can make another video in the future. This is Windows 11. All the programs are there. Everything is installed, even OBS running, doing the screen recording. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.